hailstones here. It's 5:23 and 30 seconds. I've been watching this coming for about half an hour. Let's see here. It's just sweeping across the field. It's rained 1 inch in 20 minutes. Wind's gotten up to 30. But yeah, you had a little clickety-clackety hailstone there. Still getting some. I had a little window leak here. This is the true test for it, for sure. Bang. Yeah, I hear it. Those are pond lights, so I think they can take it. I was going to work on the pond today. I had big plans. And I was going to cut the grass. Look at it just sweeping across there. Let's go look in the backyard. I hear something ticking. Oops, sorry. Didn't mean to bump your nose there. What's ticking? I don't know what that is. Okay, well, if anything else happens, I'll let you know. I found the ticking. It's my RO system. Let me just go turn that off. It's about 5 minutes later. It has rained in less than half an hour, 1.7 inches. It looks like it's letting up, but I think there's another wave coming. So that's a test of my window there. Looks like that's going to be okay. That's on the outside, right? Okay. Well, the other good thing is my tarp that covers the spa filled up with water, and that helps hold it down. So I thought we were going to lose a bunch of stuff here. The other night I came home and the wind had blown it out into the yard, the spa, that is. Sound like I'm from up north. Throw me down the stairs, my hairbrush. Throw the cow over the fence, some hay. Well, it's on my little mud river out there. Ooh, look down there, you can see it. Just pouring out of the downspout. At the back, maybe you can't from the window, but woo, barn really shed some water, huh? Okay, let's look at the map and see if there's a round 2 coming. That was pretty rough. I know what the people have had. They've had worse. Let's turn the fountain on. I'll do that right here if you didn't know that. And then the fountain comes on. Okay. Alright. And that just keeps the mosquito larvae down. See that grass out there ain't got cut? Alright, well, it looks like it's brightening up. Oh, it's been about 20 minutes. And so we got the green light back on in here. That's good. And then we got that light back there, and that's good. So we've got the RO water right where we want it. And if you live on a farm, you need RO water with UV light. So, well, it's just too soaked out there. Let's see what the final totals were on that one. 2.16 inches of rain. Days without rainfall, 0. That'd be about right. Temperature came down 20-something degrees. The humidity went up about 20 points, so not so bad. So I'd rather have it like that. So the sun's out. I had to close the blinds back and let's turn the fountain back off. I think that's enough for now. And we'll just see what happens with this next sale that's coming. It looks like it's coming, but I don't know if that's true or not. It could peter out before it gets here. But boy, that one didn't peter out, and my window is still dry. I'm very happy about that. You can tell I got a little bit of a slant on that windows. All the windows, I always kind of do that. And I put a little deflector at the bottom, and I used tons of that Pella tape. So I was always very surprised that I had a little leak right there, but I think I found it the other day. I had to kind of reuse that siding, and I just think I cut it a little funky, but nothing a great big tube of silicone can't fix, right?